grab that one and that one, and you can change kind of the direction that you want that to go in. And then you'll go ahead and do another sweep. So those bridge curves will be your kind of your cross sections. You want to make sure your arrows line up correctly. We'll find out here in a minute if ours do. I have a feeling they need to be swapped. Let's see, reference coordinate system undefined. Okay, so I think because my geometry is a little bit crazy there, it's not going to be too cooperative, especially because there's an overlap. But essentially what you'll do is you'll create a bridge curve, and then you can sweep that across using these two guides, making sure that your sketches are a little bit more accurate than mine. But that would be how you would do that. So once you've got that pretty much set up, you'll want to go ahead and start doing the greenhouse or the roof of the vehicle, which is this portion right up here. To go ahead and start that, you'll want to well, there's a whole variety of ways of doing this, but one way of doing that is to create a shoulder line and then create a sweep across that and trim it. So similar to the way that we did the first shoulder line, this one right here. So we can go ahead and create another sketch. We can do it on the same plane or create it on a different plane, but you'll want to do it like that. You'll create a new shoulder line. You know, you can define it wherever you want the hood of your vehicle to start. So we can do something like this. Oops. Let me pan down here a little bit. So from here to here to, we don't want it to go above our vehicle, so I might need to tweak this just a smidge. Let's do a spline. Splines probably look a little bit better, more control. So from here to here to here, something like that. Make a good shoulder line. That looks good. Okay, so now that we've got our shoulder line, we'll want to go ahead and create a basically another surface. So we can do a sweep for this one as well. Grab that, and then our guide curve. Again, we'll want to, now you could draw another line on the surface if you wanted it to just go straight back. You could do this one as well. That one probably isn't exactly what we're looking for. Probably just want to do like, let's see here, we'll probably just want to do this one. Oops, refresh. Sweep. Something like that. And then we can come down here and bring this a little bit further down. Looks like it needs to be even further. Something like that. And then we can project this curve onto this surface in the negative x direction. Okay, something like that. And then we can trim that out. Cannot select and print selected trim object onto sheet body. That's pretty bad there. It's just a line. Let's go ahead and delete that. We'll try it again with an arc. That's fine. Let's go ahead and see if we can get a better line here. There we go, that's a better line. Okay, so now we can try and trim this out. See if it'll be more user-friendly for me. Oops. Okay. That's why right there. So come in here to our first sketch. See if we can move these down just a bit below that surface. Okay, now I should be able to trim that out. There we go. Got it. Okay. So to modify that, I just made sure that the projection lines intersected completely with that. And then, of course, you can trim off the bottom as well. Trim this sheet. The bounding object can be a surface. And it looks like part of the back goes through the back surface as well, so we'll do that. And we want to do the other side. So now that's nice and trimmed off at the bottom. And we've got this nice, better looking curve. So then we can do the same thing that we did with the shoulders here as we can with the greenhouse. We'll create some lines that'll come across here, and basically we'll sweep them along to kind of create the top of our car. We can then go ahead and fillet those edges after we've joined them together. So just for the sake of time, I'm going to kind of skip that for now. You can go ahead and also trim out some of the wheels. So if we project this circle onto this surface along a vector in the negative x direction, someone likes some sweet piano music, huh? Hey, if you guys have piano music playing on your computer, if you could mute that, that'd be awesome. Okay, so let's see, make that a little bit smaller here, see if we can project that now. So we want to project this onto this surface in the negative x direction. There we go. And then we want to trim it out. Using a trim sheet. Again, selecting that object. So we can do that to create our wheel rim. And obviously you'll want to, change the size of your circle there. You can do the same thing on the back tire. And then you can create a smaller circle like this one right here. And you can basically project that as well onto this surface, which will give you the ability to put some skirting around the edge of your vehicle's tires. And that's kind of described in the tutorial as well. Since we've only got 5 minutes left, this is kind of the gist of it. Once you're done, you'll want to just mirror everything. And so you can do a mirror. You can do a mirror object. So let's see here. We got a surface. See, edit surface feature. Here we go. We want to do a, let's see, mirror feature. Not seeing it here. Go back up to modeling. I know where it is in there. Let's see. Offset, detail, surface, through curves. Wow, I'm just not finding things today. Let's see, where's my command finder? No help, command finder. There. Mirror body, there we go. There we go. We want a mirror face.